Rodriguez, what do you think?
What? Do I think?
Yes, you do think, correct?
Yes, sir.
Would you mind sharing with us your analysis of the 14th Amendment regarding its purpose?
The 14th purpose is found in its Due Process Clause, which speaks directly to the fact that substantive due process rights must not only be present but protected in order for a populace to reconcile individual rights with any form of ordered liberty.
Yes. In fact, we shall be spending these first few weeks on that very concept. Ordered liberty. And how it pertains to the 14th. Don't forget to pick up a syllabus on your way out.